Namaskar, my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to Euratom Solar India Private Limited. Let's go inside and see how to install Euratom Orange Solar Water Heater model. There are main three parts in SWH. First one is storage tank, second one is vacuum glass tube, third one is stand. And we also need accessories to assemble it. First of all, we have to assemble stand. Oh, it looks very heavy. It's made from 1.6 mm galvanized iron steel. Now we open stand assembling kit and see which item include in this. Mainly it includes 4 to 5 items. First one is tank seat. Second one is vertical support. Yes, it is the vertical support. Third one is bottom support. Yes. Fourth one is cross support. Then we need back side angle. There is the 3 angle for supporting the whole stand. And last one is end support. This one is end support. Let's see how to assemble it. This accessory kit includes the SS304 nut and bolts, and it's used to fix this stand. Stand is powder coated with polyurethane powder coating, which gives the higher life. There are plastic caps which will be installed at bottom support like this, so it can prevent the water to touching the bottom support. It is very easy. Very good. It's done. Now this bottom support will assemble with vertical beam. Bottom support has 2 holes which will be fastened with SS nut bolt with vertical beam. Very good. Now the tank seat will put at top side of vertical beam with 3 nut bolt. Vertical side is complete. Now it need one cross support. Okay, so one side of stand is ready. Now we need to prepare the second side. Both side of stand is complete. Now we see how it connect with help of connecting angle. There are 3 angle, 2 horizontal and 1 cross angle. One at bottom. One at top. There are 2 holes. We have to assemble it on top hole. The bottom hole will remain open. like this. Two angle is connected. Now we have to use cross angle. These three angle will support to stand firmly. Help of these three angle, stand can stay vertical itself. Now we have to assemble end support. End support function is to support the tube end. There are 4 holes for adjustable purpose. We can move end support up and down. This is unique end support. Each tube has individual support. This is end cap. End cap will assemble in end support. Each and every end cap has engraved Euratom logo. It shows genuine parts from company. It is very easy to fit end cap with end support. Just push back side like this. End cap has backside locking system. It is very easy and very fast. Stand assembling is complete, so we need to put the storage tank upon stand. This is storage tank. Tank has nomenclature labeling there. It shows total detail of model like UT 1GI 150. It means 150 liter. Below is the serial number. Okay, now we open the tank. Tank is packed by bubble sheet at outside. Due to bubble sheet, it gives the shock absorbing during the transportation, and inside has corrugated paper sheet. Very nice. Nice finish. Oh, it looks very heavy. So need good healthy person to carry on stand. Be careful. It's look very heavy. This Euratom orange model tank made from 2.5 mm GI sheet with inside good coating for long life against bad water condition. Outer tank is made from 0.45 mm thick of GI sheet with PP powder coating and then pop insulation. Tank fixed with the stand by bottom side given nut bolt. Now stand and tank assembling is complete, so we need to install the vacuum glass tube with tank. This is glass tube box. The glass tube box packing with 10 tube, 15 tube, It's the standard packing. Tube is heart of solar water heater system. Euratom use their own specified glass tube. Each and every tube has Euratom logo. Made by 1.6 mm thick glass with more than 50-minute selective coating time, which gives the good absorptivity of sunlight. Friends, we need the viscous liquid to insert tube inside the tank. So we are using the shampoo. It gives the lubricant to insert the tube very easy. This is the outer seal, outer ring. Tank has inside the silicone ring. Okay, one tube is installed. Now same way we need to install all tube. 1 liter solar water heater include 50 numbers of vacuum glass tube. Let us see how to connection of cold and hot water. Right side, tank right side has 3 point. Top point is hot water output to utility. Middle point is bigger than top one. Top one is 1 inch point. Middle point is 1.25 inch. It's for electrical backup. In case in rainy season there are no sunshine, then we can use this option electrical point. Bottom one is for cold water input. Left hand side has one upper point. This point used for air vent. Also left hand side has nomenclature plate, as well as end disc has Euratom logo, which show the genuine parts or original parts. This is the complete installed system. My friends, one important things I like to share is for cold water filling first time. When we are installing the system during day, due to sunlight, vacuum glass tube get very heated, and in hot glass never fill cold water, otherwise it may break. So after installation we have to wait for cooling of inside tube, so we need to fill water at evening or early morning. Friends, you can see here is the standard installation system. Cold water tank is upper than solar water heater system. You can see cold water line came from black tank to bottom point of solar water heater. It is mandatory to take the downside minimum 6 inch. Then after it can go upward and anywhere where is the cold water source. Middle point is now closed because we no need right now electrical backup. Top point from where the water is coming is output of SWH system. It will go where is the hot water needed. And left hand side has one heighted air pipe. It is necessary to keep it more height than cold water source level. So friend, today we complete the one system, Euratom orange model solar water heater system, and you know how to install, what to care for cold water filling, time, point, etc. So thank you my friend for your time. Have a good day. Jai Hind.